4 a.m. Your heart is racing because today is the flying day. You have taken loans, left your family, and sacrificed everything for those gold stripes. You arrive at your base ready to take command of the skies, and then you sit. You wait in a mess hall that doesn't have a decent chair or a cup of hot tea. You wait in a classroom that's actually a metal container box, literally baking in the summer sun because the AC is broken. You wait until 6 pm just to be told, sortie cancelled. Welcome back to Fly with Sudharshan. Today I am not talking about the glamour of aviation. I am talking about the ground reality. I joined my academy on December 8th. By the first week of Jan, the DGCA approved my SPL. I was ready, but then I didn't get a single flight until the end of the month. I had to fight just to get my first sortie, which was on Feb 3rd. If you are an aspiring pilot, you need to hear this before you sign in that admission form. Before we dive in, a quick disclaimer. This isn't about any one specific flying school. This is based on my personal experience and research I have done by connecting with students across various FTOs in India. My only goal here is to help you choose your flight school better. Let's talk about the Phantom Fleet. Schools will show you 10 planes on their website. In reality, half of them are grounded in the hangar. The maintenance standards are often so poor that you literally are risking your life in an aircraft that has constant technical issues. Then there is the math. The ideal ratio is 1 aircraft for 10 students. In India, I have seen up to 40 students and more per aircraft. Because of this, you fly maybe once in a month, or this leads to a recency. You may ask, Sudharshan, what do you mean by recency? So let me explain. If you don't fly for 7 days as a solo student, you hit recency. You can't fly solo again until you do an extra check ride with an instructor. That's an extra hour of flying, and guess what? You pay for it. Even if the school didn't fly you because their plane was broken or they overbooked, you pay the price for their failure. It's not just the machines, it's the people. Management often loses interest the moment your fees are paid. Then you deal with instructor favoritism. Imagine waiting months while another student flies daily just because they share a hometown or a mother tongue with the instructor. Or worse, Instructor Ego. If an instructor is pissed off at you, they can intentionally fail you or give harsh remarks on your landing to crush your confidence. Remember, those remarks go into your logbook. Airlines see them. If you are ever in an accident, those past logs are the first thing used to point the finger at you. This ego tax can push your training past 200 hours, which means more money out of your pocket. Now, there is most critical point, time. I have worked in IT for 5 years. I saw the boom during COVID. Everyone was hired. Then came the wars, inflation, and mass layoffs. Aviation is exactly the same. Right now there is a boom. But if you choose a school that takes 3 to 5 years to give you a CPL, which is common in India, by the time you graduate, the market might be saturated. The hiring window might stay shut for 3 to 5 years. So timing matters. The faster you complete your CPL, the safer your career. Don't let a slow school kill your job prospects before they even begin. The stress of sinking toilets. The stress of stinking toilets, the lack of sorties, and the constant blame shifting is real. I have seen passionate students get so broken by the system that they quit their dream of becoming a pilot. Don't let that be your story. Do your research, talk to the students waiting at the base at 5 pm who didn't fly. They will tell you the truth that management owned. Look, I have been in those shoes. I know the frustration of waiting for a flight that never comes while your money and time slips away. But here's what I realized. While you can't always control the flight school's broken aircraft, you can control your own preparations. Most students fail because they enter the cockpit without a solid foundation. They struggle with the planes because they didn't master the theory first. That's why I decided to take my years of experience and research to create something better for you. I started Fly with Sudarshan Aviation Academy FSAApilot.com specifically for students who are tired of trial and error method. We provide ground classes that don't just help you clear exams, they prepare you for the cockpit. If you want to walk into your flight training with the confidence of a captain, head over to fsaapilot.com. Let's get your theory sorted so you are ready the moment that cockpit door opens. But I'm not stopping here. I know you are still asking, Sudarshan, if these flight schools are so risky, how do I find the good ones? I hear you. And that's exactly what we are tackling next. In my next video, I'm going to give you the ultimate roadmap, a step-by-step guide on how to select the best flight schools in India. I'll show you the green flags you should look for and the specific questions that make shady flight school nervous. Don't let your dream get stuck on the ground. Visit fsaapilot.com to start your journey with us today and hit that notification bell so that you won't miss the next guide. Your wings are waiting. Let's make sure you get them the right way. I'm Sudarshan and this is Fly with Sudarshan. Safe skies.